Government has taken its first look at the real-world use of COVID-19 vaccines.
And the news is good for both the Pfizer and Moderna shots, which have been available since December. And we know this particular study, it looked at about 4,000 people, and they wanted to see how effective the vaccines might be. They had a group that included both people who have had both shots, some had one shot, and others had not been vaccinated at all.
Yeah, and what's different about this one is if you look at the trials, the clinical trials that had happened with the drug companies, those were looking at really like hospitalizations and deaths and then symptomatic infections. This looks at how effective are these vaccines in preventing asymptomatic infections. So this is really important to know down the road. How long do we need to wear our masks after we're vaccinated? And they were finding numbers of 90% efficacy in preventing asymptomatic infections, 80% when it comes to being partially vaccinated. So just getting that one shot before the second one.
And when you look at the numbers, it's important to note that no one died. They had a couple of hospitalizations, but when you look at 4,000 people across that study, those numbers are pretty impressive.
They are. And now, before it was these clinical trials, as we mentioned, now it's out in the real world. In fact, they took 450 people from Duluth, and they were part of these trials. These were, healthcare workers, frontline workers. These were taken early on when people in the real world were getting the vaccine, which is important because then you have a larger group of people that is being studied by the government itself, not by the drug companies, and you have a more diverse group of people. You just have different ages, different races, which is a very important thing to look at when you're looking at the efficacy of a vaccine like this.
And we know too, they only looked at people across 6 states. So, you could get slightly different results if you're looking at a larger or more diverse group encompassing more places.
Right.
But this is certainly promising given the fact that those vaccines are slowly rolling out.
Right.
So far, when you look at the numbers, 93 million Americans have received at least one shot. 51 million are fully vaccinated, and that number continues to climb.
I mean, this also goes back to the importance of reminding people that this vaccine is constantly being tested.
Right.
It's not that just happened one time. The people who are in these trials are in these trials for years. Not only are the drug companies doing it, the government then does it. So when we look at these vaccines, don't think it's not being studied because it constantly is being. And this is good news.